Hello, I am Dr. Patrick O'Malley with EB Medicine. If you help lead an emergency department, an urgent care organization, or an APP team, we put together something that I think that you're going to appreciate. This is our Decision Maker Care Package, and we're sending a limited number to physician leaders and healthcare executives as a practical way to introduce resources organizations are using to improve onboarding, to build clinical confidence, standardize care, and support ongoing education. So let me show you what's inside. Everything in this box was chosen because it connects to challenges that we hear about all the time from medical directors, from chief medical officers, APP leaders, and urgent care executives. So I'm going to open this up, remove the packing. First off, we've got our suture practice kit, and one of the most common things that we hear is that newer clinicians aren't always getting enough hands-on procedural experience before they're expected to practice independently. And this kit is one example of how organizations can create more structured, hands-on learning opportunities instead of just hoping that confidence develops over time. Next, we've got some of our stewardship guides. Those are right here. So these are designed to help reinforce evidence-based decision making and support more consistent and confident decisions when it comes to antibiotic and steroid prescribing. Because the goal isn't just education, it's reducing unnecessary variation. Now, you'll also find some examples of our clinical reference materials. And these are the kinds of resources organizations use for onboarding, continuing education, journal clubs, quality initiatives, and day-to-day clinical decision making. Because healthcare changes very quickly, and teams need practical, evidence-based resources that they can trust. And there's a few other examples in the box as well, each focused on a different part of clinician development, from procedures, clinical decision making, to documentation and ongoing competency. And yes, there are a few small EB medicine gifts here too. Things like a water bottle, a sandwich bag, and a gear bag for all your cables and your plugs, because everybody likes a surprise. And now, one thing to point out to you: if you can tell us what this is when we speak to you, you'll get some extra bonus points. But the real value isn't just what's inside the box. The box is meant to start a conversation. Every organization has different priorities. Some are focused on onboarding, some are improving documentation, others are reducing unnecessary referrals, standardizing care across multiple locations, supporting APP development, or building fellowship programs. And that's where EB Medicine can help. If you'd like one of these decision maker care packages, we'd be happy to send one while supplies last. Just reply with your preferred shipping address and we'll get one on its way. Thank you for watching. I hope we have the opportunity to connect soon.